In private equity funds, commitment, contribution, drawdowns are very important. Let's understand this. Commitment is nothing but it's a kind of promise which LPs makes to the GP or the fund that they would pay certain sum of money during the life of the fund in bits and pieces, which is called as capital call. Understand that commitment is nothing but it's a kind of promise going from the LP to the GP. Okay, let's understand with an example. There is an LP who has committed $1 lakh or $100,000 to a fund. Now, as per the requirement, what he does is he will call money for different purposes. The purposes can be, he can call money for making some investments or paying some expenses or paying the management fees. Okay, this is up to the GP to decide this, and for that they will issue capital call notices to each and every LP. Okay, in capital call notices or drawdown notices, all the details would be listed out, like how much is being called, what are the LP details, and what is the bifurcation of the things, and what is the due date, what is the notice date. Everything would be defined and clearly mentioned on the drawdown notice. Okay, moving on to understand the contribution. So people say contribution is nothing but when this capital call amount is coming into the fund and received by the fund or the GP, that is considered to be called as the contribution. This is very important topic to understand in fund accounting terminology or fund accounting world.